Hello everybody. Today we will learn then how can you do the cube of the two-digit number. So four types I am taking. First type is if the first digit is 1. In second case we will take the second digit is 1. Third type we are taking same digits are there. And fourth is different digits are there. Then how can you find to the cube within a few seconds? See, the method is, suppose first digit is 1. You must write both the digit as usual first, 1 and 2 as it is, and just do the square of this number. 2 square, write down here 4, and the cube of this number 8. First two digit as it is, then the square of the second digit and the cube of the second digit you must write, and leave this first and second digit, last digit as it is. Just do the double of these two. 2 double 4, 4 to the 8, and add these. 8 and 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 3 and 4, 7, 1. So 1728 is the cube of this number. Similarly here, 17 as it is, square of second digit 49. And cube of this 7, 3, 43. See, now leave first and last digit as it is. Do the double of these two. So 7 to the 14 and 98. Just add 1. 3 will come here. This 34 will be carry is here. You must add 9 plus 8, 17 and 4, 21. 1 is here, 2, 5, 9, 18. 18 is here only. So, then 18 will be the carry. 18 you must add is here. 18 into 7, 25. 25 and this is 15 and 5, 19. Carry 1, 3. 3 will be here. So, that is 4. So, 4913 is the square cube of this number. Have a look. Okay, now type 2. Here is 2, 1. So, these two digits you must write down as it is. From the last we will write. Here we were writing from the left side only. We will write from the right side. 1 and 2. Same. Here we will do the square of this number 2. Square 4. Cube of this number 2 cube, that is 8. First and last two digit leave as it is. Do the double of this one 4, 8, double of this 2, 4. Now add 1, 6, 8 and 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 9. So 9261 is the cube of this 21. Similarly here you can take 1, 4 as it is. Do the square of 4. 16 is here. 4 cube 64. These two number will remain as it is. Do the double of this one. 32, 8. Add these. 1, 4 and 8, 12. First one digit will come. Last will be the carry. So 1 is carry. So 7, 8, 9, 19, 9, and this is 49. 49, 9 will be here. 4 is carry. 4 will be added here. So this is 8, 6. So 6, 8, 9, 2, 1 is the cube of this 41. Have a look. Okay, now type 3 if the same digits are there. So here is, just do the cube of the digits. 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. So this is your 8, 8, 8 and 8. Last two digit leave as it is. Do the twice of this. 16 and 16. Add them. 8. This is 24. 4 will be here. 2 is carry. 2 will be added is here. 8 and 2 10. 10 and 16 26. 6 is here. 2 is carry. 2 will be 8. 8 plus 2 10. So this is your cube of this number. 10648. Similarly here, cube of this one 27, 27, 27, 27. Do the double of these two. 54, 54. add 27. So for one digit will come, this 2 is carry, 2 we must add here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, carry 1, 7, 8, 8 will be the carries here, 15, 9, so this is 7, 8, 8 is carry here, 8 and 7, 5, 3, 35. So 3, 5, 9, 3, 7 is the cube of this number. Now in case if the different digits are here, so just do the cube of this first, 2 cube. So this is your 8. Last digit cube, 3 cube, 27. And second and fourth digit will be square of this number into this. Square of this number into this. So 2 to the 4, 3 is 12 is here. Square of second digit, 3 square into first digit. So 3 is 9 into 2, 18. And rest of the things are same. Leave these two digits, do the double of these two, 12, 24, 36, add 27. So 7 will be here, this 2 will be carried. 2 must add it here, 8 and 2, 10, 16, carry 1, 4, 5, 5 carry, 5, 7, 4, 11, 1 carry 1, this 2, 4, 4 will be added here, 8 plus 4, 12. So 1, 2, 1, 6, 7 is the cube of this number. Similarly here, cube of this number 2, 8. Cube of 5, 125. Square of this number into 5. 2 square into 5. 4, 5 is 20. So 20 is here. Square of this number into 2. 5 square into 2. 25 into 2, 50. Keep these two numbers as it is. Do the double of this one. So this is 40 and this is 100. 125. 5 will come here and this 12 is carry. 12 you must add here. So this is 162. 2 will be here. 150, 162. 2. So 16 is carry. 16 must add it here. 6, 7. 7 will be added here. 15. So 15625 is the cube of this number. Have a look. Now, in case of 3-digit number is there, then how can you find the cube of this one? So, here is the quite things are different. Just take these two last digit and this one. This one, you must do the cube of this number. 1 is 1. And just do the cube of this 02. 02 cube, 08. Means always we will write the 2 digit is here. 08. Means at every place we will write 2 digit. 1 cube we will do 01 or 1 you can write down, no problem. So 2 digits we are supposed to write down here. Now in second digit what we will do for this one, this number 1 into these 2 digits into this exponent 3. So this is a 06. So 06 is here. Now whatever you are getting this number, the product you are getting, that is multiplied by these last 2 digit. That will be this number. So into 02. So this is 12. So 12 is here. So the cube of this number is 106 1208. Have a look. One more number we are taking, like 1, 1, 2 whole cube you want to do. So just do the cube of the first digit. 1 cube, 01, that is 1 you can write down. 12 cube, that will be equal to 1728. So only 2 digits we will write is here. 1728, we will write 2 digit. And this 17 will be carried. Now, same method, this 1, for this one, the digit 1 into this last 2 digit 12 into exponent 3. So this is 36. So this 36 will be here now. Now next this number will be this 36 multiplied by these two digits. 36 into 12. So this is 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. So your number will be 28 is here. This 17 we will add is here. So 28 here. 2 digit we will add this one. So 7 and 8, 9. And this is 4. This 4 will be carry. This 4 will be carries here. Only 2 digit we will write. So this is 4 plus 36 is 40. 40 and 1. And this is the cube of this number. Have a look.